Identifying invertebrates. Lesson 2.5, page 28.
Hi, fourth grade. How are you? I hope all of you are okay. Today's lesson is lesson 2.5, page 28. Identifying the invertebrates. بدنا نتعرف على invertebrates اللي هي اللافقاريات. And we want to see some videos, some example for these invertebrates. But so as to remember, in the first of the semester, we talk about the skeleton. Animals who have skeleton are vertebrates. الفقريات عندها عمود فقاري. This is the summary of today's lesson. Example for some vertebrates and examples for invertebrates and their some characteristics for them and some video. I hope you will understand the lesson and enjoy it very well. God bless you all. Thanks for listening. Bye.
Animals are divided in two main groups: vertebrates, invertebrates. الحيوانات تقسم إلى مجموعتين رئيسيات: vertebrates. Repeat after me. vertebrates الفقاريات. invertebrates اللافقاريات. These are some examples for vertebrates. This is a dinosaur. It has a skeleton. This is the skeleton of a fish. هيكل عظمي للسمكة. This is the skeleton of a giraffe. Look, its neck. This is the skeleton of a human being. We took this lesson in the first semester. As you remember, the skull, ribs, hips. And as we remember, it gives us the shape بتاعت الشكل. But today's lesson is about invertebrates. We revised that the skeleton is only for vertebrates. إنه الحيوانات اللي إلها عمود فقري vertebrates. درسنا اليوم عن الانفرتبريتس اللافقريات. Most invertebrates are small and hard to see. معظم اللافقريات صغيرة وصعب نشوفها، مش كلها، البعض منها. They hide among grass, plants, leaves and soil. تتخبى بالأعشاب، النباتات، أوراق الشجر وفي التربة. So they hide among grass, plants, leaves and soil. Here are some examples of invertebrates. You can look at your book page 28. Also here are many photos about invertebrates. First of all, we want to talk about insects, الحشرات. Insects, repeat, insects, الحشرات. An insect has 6 legs and can often fly. الحشرات عندها 6 أرجل، 2 3 وعلى الشقة الثانية 3 بيطلعوا 6. And often can fly. Example of insects: ants, النمل, bees, flies. Here are examples of invertebrates: jellyfish, octopus. These are not in your lesson, but I like to give you some more examples so that you can understand more. الأخطبوط, look, it has 8 legs. Butterflies, الفراش, butterflies. Look at these beautiful butterflies. These are also invertebrates. All butterflies have 6 legs and 2 wings because they are from the insects and they are invertebrate. Green flies. These live on green plants. Look at these insects. These are insects. They have 6 legs. Bees. نحل. These are bees. They are insects that produce honey. النحل ينتج العسل. honey العسل. Ants work together in colonies. النمل بتعاونوا مع بعض على شكل مجموعات. Look here. Colonies of ants. Here are colonies of ants. They work together in colonies. An earthworm. Earthworm. These are earthworms. These are earthworms. دودة الأرض. An earthworm is an invertebrate, but it is not an insect. هي لا تتبع للحشرات. It is not an insect, but it is an vertebrate. Invertebrate. So here is another example for invertebrates, which is the earthworm. I think all of you knows its shape. I want you now to watch this video about invertebrates. Hope you will enjoy.
Hi friends, welcome to a new happy learning video. Today we are going to learn about the invertebrate animals.
Invertebrates.
You all know that the animals are divided into 2 big groups. The vertebrates that have an internal skeleton formed by bones, and the invertebrates that have no bones. All the invertebrates are oviparous, and we classify them in 6 big groups. Sponges, jellyfish, corals, worms, mollusks,
We did not take these groups, but only look at them.
and arthropods.
Look at every animal. These are invertebrates.
The sponges are aquatic animals that are sac-shaped, and the body is full of pores. It is very easy to remember this group because many times we use them in the shower for personal hygiene. Yes, many of the sponges we use in the shower are invertebrate animals.
Jellyfish and corals. نجم البحر
The
والجيليفيش.
jellyfish are invertebrate animals that live in the ocean. Their bodies are gelatinous and have tentacles. The truth is that when they appear in the beach, it is very annoying because their tentacles have small venomous stingers that produce very unpleasant bites. Corals are tiny marine animals that
هدول
produce
المرجان.
limestone
These are
residue.
also invertebrates. They
Give
live in
rise
the
to
oceans.
beautiful shapes.
Look how lovely. Worms at the dam. We took about
Do you know
earthworm.
this animal?
Look, this is the earthworm.
Exactly. It's a worm. Worms are soft and long invertebrate animals that move by dragging the body in the ground because they have no feet. They can be aquatic or terrestrial. There are some worms that can be harmful. And
Worms at the dam.
Careful with them.
Look, these are the worms at the dam.
Can you see the snail?
This is the snail. We took it
Well, snails
before.
form part of the mollusk group. Mollusks have a soft body without legs and can also be aquatic or terrestrial.
بنقول عنها
Some, like the
الرخويات.
snail, its clams and muscles protect the body with shells.
This is the shell.
But But there are other mollusks that don't have a shell to protect themselves, like slugs or octopuses. The echinoderms are exclusively aquatic animals.
Also, these are
Their bodies have
invertebrates. They live
calcareous
in the
plates that
oceans.
form a shell. Some echinoderms have a loose shape and are covered in spikes that they use to defend themselves, like sea urchins. Others are star-shaped and are of course
Look
called
at these.
starfish.
These are starfish. Also, it's an invertebrate.
The arthropods are the most abundant animals on the earth. Of every 100 animals that exist, 80 are arthropods.
Look at
These
these.
invertebrate animals have the body covered by an
العناكب
external
والعقارب.
skeleton called a cuticle. The most common way to classify the arthropods is by the number of legs they have.
Look at these.
This
Also,
way
these
we can
are
classify them in 4 big groups.
invertebrates.
Arthropods with 6 legs. In this group, insects like ants and flies
These
are
have
present.
6 legs.
Arthropods with 8 legs.
These have 8
Or
legs.
for example, the arachnids like spiders and scorpions are.
Look, the 8
Arthropods with
eggs.
10 legs include the crustaceans like crabs and lobster. Arthropods with more than 10 legs like the
Some have
centipede,
10
as
legs.
you can see, have much more than 100 legs and are called myriapods.
I hope you have enjoyed the video. I know it's not all from your lesson, but it's about invertebrates. The lesson was about identifying invertebrates. We talked about bees. Bees are insects that produce honey. We talked about butterfly. It has 6 legs and 2 wings. We talked about earthworm. It's an invertebrate, but it is not an insect. And we talked about ants. Ants work together in colonies. Thank you and goodbye.